Hey guys, welcome to Automate with Amit. And in this video series where we are covering most asked Java interview questions, in this video we are going to learn one of the most asked Java interview question, which is you have to print numbers from 1 to 10 without using any loop, or 1 to 100 in that case. Without using any loop. Okay, so usually what happens, when people are asked this type of question where you have to print some number uh, from one number to another number, then what happens? We use for loop to navigate. Um, but in this case, because interviewer has asked you to not using you have not to use any loop, so you have to create a program for that. Okay, so for that I have created one class. This is public class print number without loop, and in here there is one main method. I am going to create another public static void print number without loop method. Okay, and here, so basically over here what we are going to do, we are going to so here basically what we want to get from user. So get from user some number till that number we wanted to print, but without any loop. Okay, so here what we can do, we can over here use this method, and here we can call that method, and here we can pass that number. Okay, so let's suppose that number is we wanted to print till 30. Okay, and here it is, this method is receiving some number. Okay, and okay, so you have to print that particular number till 30. So for that I am creating one variable number equals 1, and in here int equals in number, and I am going to pass this number to this place because I wanted to use this to start our counting. So here question may arise that if you are not going to use loop, then what else? So here basically we are going to use one concept called recursion. Okay, recursion, those who don't know what is recursion, so recursion is something like when any method calls itself, then that process is called recursion. Okay, so now here we are going to call this particular method again and again to print our things. Okay, so for that let's do this. So as soon as we get this number, okay, so what we need to do, we need to print this one. Okay, so let's print this out. Sys out, this number is number. We printed this out, and then what we want to increase this number, right? Okay, so we increase this number, and what else? Then how are we going to when we are going to call this number again? So now what is this? This number got increased, right? Earlier this number was 1, and from here it got number 1. Here it printed 1, and here it increased to 2. So what we can do, we can pass this increased number back again to the same method. Okay, so when we pass this number same to the same method, what it is going to do, it is going to call from here till this number. So it is going to pass this number as 2. So 2 is going to be printed, then again it is going to increase the 3, then again it is going to call it again with 3, 3 gets printed, 4 again called, 4, 4 got printed. Like that, a loop will be created using this recursion method. Okay, so it is going to print it is going to continue calling itself. Okay, so for that, what we need to do, we need to stop also this at some place, right? So what we can do here, we can apply one condition. So like if number is greater than 30. So since we wanted to print this till 30 only, so what we can do, we can put whole things into this inside this if condition. So if this number gets exceeded from 30, what will happen? This uh, greater than 30. So next time, like 30, since at this point, if this method gets called with number 30, so it will get inside because 30 is not greater than 30. So it is going to print that 30, then 31, it is going to be increased to 31. Again, same method is going to be called. So 31, this time it is going to say that no, this condition is going to be fail because number which is 31 is greater. So sorry, it should be lesser always, less than equals when we wanted to print. So this time it is going to be greater. So what will happen? It is going to fail this condition. So it is going to come out and eventually it is going to complete the method. Okay, so let's see if it prints. So you see over here it printed from 1 till 30. Okay, so that is it in this video. If you find this video useful, please like and share with those who you think can be benefited using this. That is it in this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.